Welcome to ADNAN animations. Today I will show you how to fill the holes of two objects, and sometimes it's need to join the vertices. So how can I do? Go to edit mode and then select the edge tool and select the loop of two edges. After selecting two edges, top and uh, bottom, and select two edges, and then go to press F key to fill this holes. When you want to select loop, select one edge and then second edge, double click on this, the whole loop will be selected. Now you can go to press F and then fill the object. Now you can see the object is filled, and that's, you can see this is pretty well. Subscribe with LATIF animations.